Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's video we're going to look at what is known as reading mode, or for other phones it may be known as night mode or comfort view mode or something like that for the LG phones. And basically it's to kind of like change the colors of the background, especially while you're on your bed at night. And you can access it using the drop down here. You'll see reading mode, but if you want full access to that, you can long press it. It'll take you to the main settings of it, or we'll go into settings, and then under that we'll go into where it says display, and then you'll see where it says reading mode. And of course this is for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 phone. Should be the same for other Xiaomi phones, came out in 2019. So we'll go into that, and as you turn it on you'll notice that it has this kind of yellowish background, and you can adjust it, and by now you'll know what I'm talking about. You'll see how the colors change. So this is great for nighttime, especially if you're constantly watching your screen while on bed or in the night in the dark. And then you got the option to actually set a schedule. And again, it's similar features and functions like other phones, where you can switch to reading mode after sunset automatically. This is basically once the sun goes down, depending on the time and the zone you're located in, it will automatically switch into that. Or you can actually set up a period time where you can have it turn on from whatever time you want, and then you can have it set for whatever time you want it to turn off. So let's say by 9 you go to bed and around 9:30 you fall asleep. So you can have it set for 9 to 9:30, and boom, you're good to go, already set. And this is only for the schedule set mode. And then if not, just go back into that reading mode on, turn that off, and you'll disable the schedule. So whatever you had set there will not go into effect unless the schedule is enabled. But if you just want basic reading mode, and if you already adjusted the slider here, you can always use the drop down menu to toggle it on and off. And that's that, guys. Just wanted to share that with you, Xiaomi users phone. And like, share, and sub. And thanks for watching. See ya.